As a mining machine brand for Dogecoin and Litecoin, VOLCMINER has always maintained a strong competitiveness in the market. And currently, VOLCMINER offers 5 models with hash rate of 30 gigahash and 18.5 gigahash, 16 gigahash, 14 gigahash, and 2.2 gigahash respectively. Among these, the D1 Mini with 2.2 gigahash is the most affordable, and followed by the D1 Lite with 14 gigahash hash rate. While the Mini is positioned as a home mining machine, the D1 Lite offers excellent value for money for those seeking higher returns. Today, we will comprehensively review this machine from all the angles, and this is probably the most thorough review you can find online. So don't forget to like the video before you're watching. Thank you. And here you go, the VOLCMINER D1 Lite. And it comes with 14 gigahash at the power consumption of 4,000 watts, so it's quite efficient. And what you're looking at is the front of this machine. There is the air inlet. And here is the power port. And here you got the on and off switch. And there you got the Ethernet port and IP reporter. And this little button is the reset button. So if you failed at setting up, you can push this reset button to reset. And yeah, that's it. That's how it looks like. And I'm gonna tell you how big it is so you can decide how you're gonna place this machine. It's about 20 centimeters wide and 33 centimeters tall and 28.5 centimeters long. And now I'm gonna weight this thing to show you how heavy it is. Alright, as you can see, it's around 15.45 kg, so it's pretty heavy. And now let's walk through how to set this up. It's very easy. Okay, so after you plug in the power cable and the Ethernet cable, and you push this button, you need to get your D1 Lite IP address. So how we get it is by using the IP scanner on your PC. So if you don't have this app, you can download it on your PC first. And then scan it so you have this IP address. And then copy the IP address of D1 Lite on website, and you will directly access the machine's operation page. And the second, when you're in this page, you need to put your username and the password. So this is very important. The username is root, R-O-O-T, and the password is LTC at DOGE. I will put it down there so you can see very clear. And once logged in, go to the mining settings section and enter the mining pool address. It's recommended to use the DX pool. And for the wallet, you can directly use your DX pool username. And there are 3 slots of mining pool and wallet address, but you can ignore the extras. Just put 1. And once everything is entered, save the settings and wait patiently for about 1 or 2 minutes. When you see the data appearing on the hash rate page over there, and it means the VOLCMINER D1 Lite is up and running. And that's it. Simple, yeah? And now let's test this noise level and the temperature. So we run this D1 Lite for like a couple hours right now. And here is the room temperature. You can see it's around 27 degrees. And let's see what's the temperature of the machine. Yeah, so you can see it's around 31 degrees. As you can hear, it's very loud. So first I'm gonna test from about 1 meter distance how the noise like. You see, it's around 83 dB. So it's like very, very loud. But you know, big power consumption machine like this, you wouldn't share a room with it. So I'm gonna test from another room to see how's the noise level. Alright, and now actually I'm gonna test at what room temperature because this machine will throttle and eventually shuts down. I'm gonna put this VOLCMINER D1 Lite inside this big heater. You see, this is a heater, and here it shows the temperature inside. At normal room temperature, the VOLCMINER D1's hash rate will be like 14 gigahash, and the chip's temperature is around 65 degrees. So later I'm gonna heat this up. I'm gonna heat this up and see at what exact temperature the hash rate will be dropping, and also the chip temperature will be rising to a crazy temperature. So let's do it. Alright, so I already put this inside, and what we need to do is focus on the dashboard over here. You can see at what ambient temperature the hash rate will be dropping, and you can also see the chip's temperature down there. Alright, and now I'm gonna heat this up and see how it goes. Alright, and now you can see when the room temperature is around, now it's like 60 degrees inside right now. That's crazy. And you can see it's already shut down. Listen. So now we got it. So just keep your ambient temperature lower than 60 degrees. I mean, big machines like this is, I can see it performance very good already. Alright, and what I'm showing you guys is the inside of this VOLCMINER D1 Lite. And this is the fans, and there are 4 big fans like this in this machine, and it's 10 centimeters in diameter. And what's really important is this computing cards. There's 3 computing cards, 1, 2, 3. And what's interesting is I'm gonna show you one of the computing cards. Look, it's very significant, and you can see these things like little mirror is actually the chips, tiny but powerful chips. There's so many of these, and I'm gonna count it for you. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 21 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 105 chips at 1 computing card. So that makes there are 315 chips in this VOLCMINER D1 Lite. It's no wonder the hash rate is very powerful, right? This is the cooling sink. This cooling system is also make these chips to cool down very efficient. Alright, and that's it for the video today. And let me know how you guys think of this VOLCMINER D1 Lite. And we will keep reviewing all the popular miners and test them out from all the angles. So also you can let me know which miner you will like to see. And don't forget to like the video if you like it, and don't forget to follow our channel. I'm Ethan. I will see you next time.